Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video I have some very fun summer home decor DIYs. I think these turned out beautiful. I did use mostly Dollar Tree items, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. I'm going to start with the tier tray. So from Dollar Tree, I'm going to use some toys. I'm using 2 frisbees. These are 2 different sizes, and this water, I think it's a beach toy. I'm going to start by carefully removing the little wheel. I was using my box cutter, but then I decided to just carefully break it off, and I did. Just be very careful and do it slowly so it doesn't break the whole thing. I was about to start gluing it, but then I realized that there's like a space and I wanted this to grab real good to the frisbee. So I'm using some popsicle sticks and I'm going to glue them to the bottom. To glue the popsicle sticks, I will be using some E6000. I then went ahead and added some E6000 all around the rim, and I did add a little bit of hot glue just like that. It can stay nice and in place and it doesn't move. Now for the inside, I had to kind of repeat the same thing. I had to find some stuff to fill it in, so like that the top piece can glue nice and good to this little middle piece. So I did use a bead and some Jenga blocks. And once again, I'm going to use a little mixture of E6000 and hot glue. So I thought that the Jenga block was touching the bead, but it turned out it wasn't, so I decided to add this water bottle lid and add it there, and this made it more higher. So now the Jenga block does touch the bottom piece. To glue the top piece, I'm using some E6000 and a little bit of hot. I then added something heavy at the top and let it sit there and dry for a couple of hours. Next step is a little bit extra. I just wanted to add some more details to the center of my tier tray, so I'm using a skewer stick and some beads, and I am going to glue them in the center. Once I was finished gluing the beads, I let it dry for a couple of more hours, and then I spray painted this using some white paint, and this is how it looks. Now I wanted this to look like a wood tier tray, so I am going to go over it using my Waverly Antique Wax. And that is it for this tier tray that was made out of toys. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? I think it turned out beautiful. The next DIYs I will be making are going to be decor that are going to go on the tier tray. So I am going to use some watermelons throughout the entire video. So I'm going to start by painting them first. I will be using all these little watermelon sticker pieces that came from this Dollar Tree pack. I am also making a bigger slice using this back piece that I had left over from a previous DIY. I'm going to start by painting all the rinds of the watermelon using the folk art in the color bright green. For the red, I'm using the apple barrel acrylic paint in flag red. And for the black little seeds, I will be using the Waverly chalk paint in ink. Now that my watermelons are ready, I'm going to start by using this Dollar Tree wreath form. And I'm going to paint it white. Once it's dry, I'm going to add 2 of the small little watermelon slices, and to cover the hole, I'm using one right on top of them. Now I wasn't sure where I wanted my other one to go, and I thought it looked so cute for 2 of the slices to be together. Now I am going to put Sweet Summertime, and I'm going to use these images that I got from my Cricut. Of course, if you don't have one, Dollar Tree always carries different stickers you can use instead. And that is it for this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful and it looks so cute on the tier tray. For my next DIY, I'm going to be repurposing a Dollar Tree decor sign. This had like the envelope pattern in the back. So I'm going to just finish it and painting the rest of the back using some white chalk paint. Next, I'm going to use 2 of the watermelon slices and glue them to the corner. I will be printing out your one in a melon using my Cricut, but of course Dollar Tree carries so many different stickers you can use instead. For instance, these right here can work so well. And that is it for this little cute You Are One in a Melon decor sign. I think it turned out beautiful. For my next DIY, I'm going to use 2 popsicle sticks that I painted white, and then I'm going to just glue these together using popsicle sticks. I first thought I only needed 2 of them, but then I realized that the watermelon piece was too big, so I ended up adding a 3rd popsicle stick. I then glued the big slice of the watermelon to the corner. Using the Dollar Tree stickers, I'm going to put Juicy, and then I'm going to put watermelon underneath. I will be putting 50 cents using the raw stickers that I have. I really like the font of these, but since they are white, I am going to paint them black. For the cent symbol, I use a Dollar Tree sticker, the letter C, and 2 eyes, which I lined it up together. And that is it, guys. That is it for this DIY. Now, the last thing I did was I made a stand for this. As you can see, there is one right there, right above. But that one was too thin. So I did have to make a wider one because I did glue this to this. But it kept falling because the watermelon is pretty heavy. So it kept falling forward. So I did have to switch it out. But that is it for this juicy watermelon decor sign. I think it turned out beautiful and it looks so cute on the tier tray. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section what do you think about my tier tray, and let me know which one was your favorite because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.